Today, we're going to disassemble and reassemble a ZTE A75 Pro. If you need to replace any parts, just follow along. This phone's got a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C port. It's a single SIM model, so we'll start from that side. First thing first, let's power it off completely. Now we heat the back cover for about 10 minutes to loosen the glue. Once it's warm enough, grab a metal blade to open a small gap. Add some alcohol to soften the adhesive. Slide a plastic card around. If it gets stuck, drip more alcohol and keep going slowly. Take your time, patience is the key when removing the back cover. This one's plastic, so less risk of cracking compared to glass. And there we go, the back cover is off nicely. Use a magnetic pad to keep your screws in order. There are 16 screws in total, don't miss the one with the white seal. Now gently pry open the middle frame with a plastic tool. Be gentle, this frame's full of antenna lines. Disconnect the battery first before doing anything else. We'll remove the battery later using some alcohol. Now unplug all the BTB connectors one by one. Then disconnect the coaxial cable carefully. Let's take out the mainboard, it lifts best from the top left corner. It's got dual AI cameras on the back, a 50-megapixel main lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there's a 5-megapixel selfie camera and the SIM tray sits on the back side of the board. Now comes the hardest part, the battery. It's super sticky, so drip some alcohol around the edges first. Start prying gently from the left side. It's tight, keep adding alcohol, don't rush it. No movement yet. Let's heat it up a bit again. Alright, now it's loosening up. Slide a plastic card underneath and cut the adhesive slowly. There we go, battery's finally out. That glue was seriously strong. It's a 5000 mAh battery made in China. Now let's move to the subboard at the bottom. There's a screw here, remove it, and the vibration motor comes along. Here's the earpiece, you can replace it if needed. Alright, all replaceable parts are now visible. Time to start reassembling everything. When placing the mainboard, insert the right side first. Reconnect all the cables but battery connector. Let's power it on and give it a quick test. The screen lights up fine and touch works perfectly. Everything seems good. Let's screw it back together. If your back cover glue still holds, you can reuse it. If not, just apply a thin line of B7000 around the edge. Press it down and let it dry for a few minutes. And that's it, all done. Your ZTE A75 Pro is back in action. Thanks for watching, hope this helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.